1, your Chukma station, Lagos, welcome. And of course, from different parts of the world, where you the watch us, where you the listen from, we get CAMIDOH in the building, all the way from Ghana. This now our sweetheart already. Hi. Hello.
Wagwan.
Yes, Wagwan. And they're very, very close right now. No, they're far. Good to have you back.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
I know your Nigerian name now, according to you, you chose
Oluwafemi.
They tell you the meaning.
They never tell me.
Jeez, man.
They never tell me.
Yeah.
But I know say they share name with billionaire, so I know they complain.
Oh, now where you settle from? But you got to do like a sprinkle of love inside.
Me already I be lover boy.
You see, so they give you the right name. Yeah. They give you the right name. Okay, so just a few days ago, I think last week I've been getting some of your brothers and sisters from Ghana also have been coming here,
nice
and I know in conversation your name also been come up. Now you blow up in Nigeria everywhere with the song. It continue to be a vibe and all that. But I like and I know so many people go there excited to listen to this particular song with your collaboration with Magix.
Yeah.
Now I be the wait when you come in so that we'll feel listen to the song together, but music don't play me fast one. So immediately now one of the song where they use introduce my show.
Confirm.
This afternoon.
Confirm.
All right, so let's go. Now when you've been coming, you do so many things. I know say you're frequenting Nigeria back then. Now waiting give birth to Slow. Tell me the story. Why Magix? Why?
Okay, I go try to speak the Oluwafemi pidgin.
Yes. No, but I like that Ghana
You like the Ghana one?
Yes.
Okay. So the last time where I come, like
oh, I love it. So the last time where I come.
Yeah, the last time where I come, me then Magic's link up.
Yes.
You understand? And Patoranking again, like gave me his studio.
Yes.
I think now I know the country.
Yes.
But I just telling guys say, yo, CAMIDOH Day, Nigeria.
Pato with so much love.
Yeah, so much love. So he opened the studio for me. So me and Magix go enter the studio way. Like I get the song already. I cook them halfway. You understand? So Magix come listen to the song and you feel the vibe. So yeah, for that way we just like work on Inverse and boom, we knew that we had another baby, like another classic baby, So it was just a matter of time. We worked on the record and then we put them out. Like Magic's my guy now. You understand? So now I get like more brothers.
You feel count your guys for Nigeria right now.
Yeah. I get more guys for here now.
Okay, and I wonder how many girls we get now. No,
for the girl side.
Yes.
Now my guys they handle that side.
Why not be you they handle them?
Cause me I be president, so they for protect me.
Awesome. So SSA to something they handle that one. All right. So now it gonna be like say you get something. You get this spark about you because I know. For free, say no be I know Nigerian musicians they show love. The artists they show love, but they're not quick to rush. So if they get, it depends on the energy where they get from you. Now the last time Miracle is a brother, and Miracle also been linking you up to so many other things, and now Patoranking and Magix and all that. So is it that now you have been at them? I don't know how what be that vibe, what be that connection, what they make CAMIDOH different from every other artist?
I'll just say it's the aura. Like now the aura, you understand. Sometimes get person we know the force vibe. Like when person see I'm like automatic, we just they connect. You understand? So now that kind of thing they my body, now that kind of source they my body.
So now
like,
waiting they see.
Yeah, now organic love. Like we know the for me and Mayon, we know the force. You understand? Me and like all my guys, we know the force vibe. Like time to time we just link up and just connect like naturally. So now wait here, like I could just talk saying I got grace, you understand? Wait day my body, we be say like when I see my guys for Nigeria, anytime we link up, we just like I don't know, vibe just they connect like that. Yeah, we know the first time.
Now I be they tell myself because when I hear about the new sound, now DJ I first call DJ Indo. Shout out to DJ Indo. I say CAMIDOH get this song slow. CAMIDOH better. I don't know what you want. The guys do extra magic. I never knew that you don't feature magic for the song.
Yeah.
So I come top say you guys do extra magic on top that song to feel beat. The other sound, the original sound, the one where we know we go viral everywhere, we still be a banger. So I can't see say you feature magic. I say, oh God.
Now that extra magic where you define. Now you don't the song.
So the DJ just laugh me. Say to this song, you don't even say you feature
magic.
You get. So Mark will feel this vibe, and then when we return back to Ram. First of all, who writes the song? When I write on different verses?
Yeah. I've been like write the song already.
Okay.
Where Magic's listen to
Yes.
we vibe on top the song to write in verse, like, you understand. If we were in the studio together from the beginning, then I'm
Yes.
sure we would have, like, you know, vibe to
Ooh.
write my verse as well. But then, like, I had already, like, done my verse, and then when we got into the studio, now we just work on in verse and backings and ad libs. And
Now, when I talk to some artists where I know say they write songs,
yeah,
I know say now double work.
yeah,
For you to write, put them down in writing, and then if you also be able to bring them to life.
yeah.
How easy they for you?
For me, now blessing. Like, I just listen to beats. When I listen to beats, sometimes we forgive credits to where they come from. You
Yes.
understand? Like, now God blessing. So I know say no be my power. When I listen to beats, like, I'm able to just like vibe on top, make something meaningful out of them. And then so sometimes I know even they take pen, they write like on
Oh,
like,
really?
now from my head. Where I just the vibe, they make the
But
music.
some people they
You
talk
understand?
say if they don't write them down they forget. I don't speak Ghana.
If they don't write them down, they go forget. They feel forget.
But I like my Ghana.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
forget. Oh, so if they feel like that, if they happen like that to you.
Yeah. Like when you play a beat to me now, the thing where I go do for the beat stop right now.
Yes.
Another time if you play that same beat, I no go feed you unless somebody record them.
Pure talent. Now,
Yes.
now why some people they like they put them down.
Yeah.
So if another verse come, they still put them. Do you understand?
Yeah. So like they do one song, but I go come to the studio and I just like vibe melodies. And I come another time, it's like another melody and another vibe, like so it's like I have like 3 songs in one.
Wow.
Then I'll now say, okay, let me just go for this one shot. Or
Yes.
the guys will say, oh, this
They
one is
go
a vibe.
decide, yes.
Then I'll just go for that
Man.
one. Yeah,
And
yeah.
your guys also need to be in tune to
Yeah.
to catch that banger because if they miss them, it's
You
gone.
get that sometimes they tell me say this one, but me myself I know say no be this one. Like now the one way they connect with me.
Because according who now? Okay, because according to General Piper,
Yeah.
music is spiritual.
Yeah.
So it comes with your inner mind. Guys resonate with
Yes.
what's in the happen, and
Yes.
sometimes your guys know they connect the way
Nah,
when you
they know they
connect.
connect with the thing like the way me they connect with the thing. So sometimes if they tell me myself I want to say I really they connect with the thing and now.
Yes.
And if you don't connect like that, then I no go take them. You
Wow.
understand? So you are okay to share your opinion with me, but I no be by force I go take them. Wait till connect with me like that be waiting I go take.
You guys now prophets on a be. All right, Cheche, whoa, coming down. Yeah, say he's back. Yes. So DJ Indo, make we hear the slow. I'm wondering why slow though? Why you give him that name slow?
Slow just they talk about like love or meeting somebody and then the friendship and then the love or whatever it is, the relationship. Just taking it slow, like not forcing vibes. So in the song they talk say I know they like to rush my love. I know they like to force my love. You understand? I take it ... In Ewe, in my language in Ghana,
Yes.
it's Ewe. ... means slow.
Okay.
Like,
Okay, so you dey take am ...
Awesome.
Awesome. Sure say you never get Nigerian girlfriend. Okay, Indo, please give me slow. Make we hear the sound together, Lagos. CAMIDOH, nice one. All right, so who produced this song?
This song was produced by Necktunes. You know, Necktunes is one of the top producers that we have in Ghana. He produced the popular
Indo, you know next song.
yes, no, the popular song with one of your artists called what's his name?
Which
the guy
one?
that did
Ashake.
yeah, Goya Ameno. He did a song with Goya Ameno.
Okay. Yes, that's a particular song
Yeah,
now. Yes.
that's my guy. Like you know, so
Yeah, it's Goya featuring Necktunes.
yeah. Necktunes featuring
Oh,
Goya.
Necktunes featuring Goya. I don't even know. Up until now, I don't know who
Yeah.
feature who, but just two of them on the song.
So Necktunes did Ameno. I'm a piano.
Yes.
And then Goya now chants on the song.
Awesome.
And did his
Awesome.
verse.
Yeah, no, well explained. But I know some both of them
Yeah,
they
both
in
of
that
them
mix.
songs. And even one on all those songs like that.
Yes. All right. But of course, we they expect the video for slow.
Definitely,
Yes.
definitely. Like I'm just like waiting for my guy Rex to now the same guy we do
The same guy will do Sugarcane, yeah.
to send me the final.
Our Sugarcane.
Yes, so
Hey.
song of the year.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. See how many awards you don't receive for Sugarcane by
I
now?
never received one
What is
award.
that?
Though. I never received one award. But I know
I'm angry.
I know say
No, but they come.
Yes, definitely. I know say like moving on. Like,
No, serious song
you
of the
want-
year.
yes,
No. I should say for the studio in the end of the year for quarrel for here.
Wazobia supposed to send me plaque.
I
I
tell
tell you.
of the year. We for quarrel for Afro playlist. No, we go quarrel because I don't know who and who. Sugarcane must they there. You get me? No, but not nice tune. So would they expect the video back? But tell me, I know say aside from Magic, aside from Slow, you get other things where you they cook.
Yeah. Shout outs to Yemi Alade. We've been cook one tune when she come Ghana.
Well done, team. Well done.
Yeah. We've been cook one tune, but yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to like connecting with the guys. Like I'm just a good vibe.
You don't connect with the guys. Face the ladies now.
My friend was telling me that I definitely need to do a song with Bella Shmeda. So
yeah,
I'm like,
that vibe.
Yeah, Bella Shmeda, Young John, like. So I'm just like looking forward to meeting these guys and just connecting with them because definitely they make like good music. So.
No, they do, and of course their vibe, like we always talk, say according to what you give them, that's what you receive. But I know you're their own good books already because you don't work with a couple of people. We don't work with them already. Now the Ghana music industry, we continue to talk about how so many people begin because I know we mentioned the name of one of your artists also been come here and talk about how how we drawn, how laid back people be. Nobody say they know they work, but they work on a slow pace and all that. What do you think say they need to do to feel? Because like some of them, I see the push. You CAMIDOH, you Stonebwoy, Kwame Eugene, Kiddy. I think Kiddy's supposed to come Nigeria anytime soon. Now, yes. So now continue to the push, and then the rest, like they laid back. I don't know what's be the problem.
Sometimes you can't blame them. Also, you understand? Like an artist needs to work with like a circle or like a system.
So most times not the team,
So sometimes maybe the team no get that kind of motivation. We go
or the foresight, or they don't see the vision,
And it costs money also. You understand? It costs money to fly over to another country and get logistics things running, and so sometimes when they know say they no get them, you get me, like, and then there's not like maybe like crazy investment as like you say like the Nigerian artists or industry, they understand to invest in music because say like in tourism now wait till they push the country, understand. So sometimes all other areas of the country may be like down, but music they still lift the name to that level. So I feel like right now eyes are opening, eyebrows are raising to like what the industry can do. So I can tell you for a fact that from next year you go soon they see say like in a whole week only Ghanaian artists where you go to interview. Like
no, but that happened already. All through last week, from Stonebwoy to the TikTok stars back to back. It's happening already, and I appreciate the fact that Africans are beginning to wake up.
And another thing to be say like when we come, you guys like open your arms like wide to receive us. That is like really beautiful. You understand? Like it's really hard in some countries like to really like go there with your music, but like for Nigeria and Ghana, we be married long time, so you guys are still like respecting
now. Why
the
when
vows.
when your elder brother Shatawale begin they talk all the things where they talk, making they remember say seriously, guy, we know they peak. We just there out there to show love. We there out there. I don't know if you even count how many Ghanaian artists were done into from Wendy Shay to of course Becca and our own sweetheart already to Kwame to all of Funa. Okay, and I've never for one day they go in and out of Ghana. I never for one day see I'm like say, oh, I choose this person or I choose that. No, it's all love out here. But thank you, say you understand this fact, and also they do your part to take Africa out there. Imagine an Amampiano sound which you and
they don't tell me this since so when I learned like you are the second person telling me this. You got my piano sound. I already have an EP that's on the way that's coming. Like I have an album, but like my record label we decided to do an EP, so it's like the team featuring me, so it's gonna come and that Amapiano go there.
I did look forward to it.
Confirm. Now you go here first.
No, I guys here. We guys launch them. DJ Indo they on standby. We guys launch them. All right, Lagos. Now really that much we'll go fit, but I know say this song slow don't come to stay, and at least we'll have something. I think Sugarcane, you have a competition of running up to you. So whether you guys retain your position or you give us chance for there, but I think I they in love also with slow.
Thank you.
Indo,
thank you very much.
What say you? Sugarcane slow. Ojoro DJ.
I want to just sometimes if you just like give slow
like, chance, right?
Give slow chance 1 week straightforward, like back to back. You go call me, tell me say, this slow song.
We'll try. CAMIDOH, thank you so much. So you come in the building, and of course the people already know where to follow you. But of course, for somebody who just listen newly from different part of the world, where be your social media platform.
Please CAMIDOH CAMIDOH, CAMIDOH, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, everywhere where you be say if you follow artists, I did there. CAMIDOH, follow me and send me DM any ideas, any suggestions, please. Yeah, let's connect.
What's it be the meaning of that name?
DM or CAMIDOH.
Yes,
CAMIDOH means blessings. Yeah, CAMIDOH na name where be say like me and my mama. Like the name where I hear where this name sounds so cute. As I say, this name go fit me. Now
you don't grow already when you hear it.
I pick yeah, I grow rich like SS when I did SHS.
Okay.
Where I see that name like the name where I hear where my mama talk like but na ewe. So it's like they're saying something and then I heard that out of it. Do you understand? A nickname or something like that. But I feel like say this name na nice name. So I now take him. We now make him name. We now pray to God for it to mean blessing
to you.
You understand?
And to everybody waiting around you. Oh wow!
We now register him to be my name, so it did like my passport everywhere.
Awesome. Yeah. How your December will be in Ghana is always a thing, huh?
You go choke.
Yes. Yeah. I and the crew too.
I would say you are coming.
Come through. Yes. So they come through. Go there.
The whole Azobia squad for pull up.
Yes.
Yes. We do all the concerts, all the fun, all the.
Yes.
Let's come out and just have a good time.
Of course.
December is for Ghana.
Yeah. You see, we don't have vex. So now when we talk to Naija, December is for Naija. Your brother go put my they talking here.
No.
We they come Ghana.
Okay, so we feel just a sham. So we go do December
for
Ghana.
No, we don't they like drag. Naija no they drag. Either we take over or we leave them. That's how it be. But we go see you. Of course, to the team. I go see you now for Ghana. All right. Thank you so much. You go need to freestyle. Digital no go let you go.
I know mine.
You must freestyle.
Yeah.
All right. So let's go there. DJ